If you want to turn off or turn on in-app sounds on Facebook application, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, if you want to turn off in-app sounds on your Facebook application, first of all, you'll have to open up the Facebook app. You can follow the exact same steps if you're on an iPhone or an Android as well. Now you'll have to tap on your profile picture on the bottom right and then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Facebook account. Now scroll down and in preferences section you'll be able to find an option of media just under language and region. You'll have to tap on media and on the top of that you'll be able to find an option of sounds. Right now it's turned on and you'll have to toggle this option off of in-app sounds. Now whenever you'll refresh the page or you like a video or like a picture, you will not be able to hear any type of sound. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.